Welcome back to the Mark 1 Motorworks YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the spark plugs in the Rabbit. Oh my God! Welcome back. So as you know, this is a 1980 Volkswagen Rabbit with a 1.6 original engine, fuel injected, and these spark plugs are the NGK BP7ES, and it's going to be a really short video and a documentation video again, not a how-to, and we're just going to take the old ones out, put the new ones in. So they just pull off like that. And when you do spark plugs, I just do them one at a time, although it doesn't really matter, just because I want to make sure that the leads go in the right holes again. But the leads are all different lengths, aren't they? So like the longest one is further away, and then so on. But we'll take that one off. We've got a 14mm socket, and we're just going to go in and take the old one out. Take that off. And these are probably going to be absolutely black. Yeah. And hot.
Ooh, lovely.
Yeah, that is really hot. Then we're going to put the new one in. Again, just make sure that you're not threading it.
How tight do you reckon these should be?
I don't know. What do you recommend?
Yeah, about hand tight like your sun plug, just not whacked all the way through, but just nipped up just right.
So that's on hand tight right now. What do you reckon? Just a tiny, like, that's bite in there.
A bit of a one little pull.
Like that?
I like it. Yeah.
Right. And that's that. And that will just go straight on like that. And then we're just going to repeat the process for these three, and job done, really. Obviously we should replace the HTC leads, but that'll be in a future video. But yeah, it's literally as easy as that, isn't it? So nothing else really to say. Some people put stuff on the thread. I'm not putting anything on them. Leave a comment below if you've had any experiences with putting stuff on them, and recommendations and whatever below in the comment section. But there you go, that's how to replace a spark plug. Thanks for watching this video. Like I said, it's part of a whole series here on YouTube, the whole service. Each video is going to be a different thing, and this was just part of the process. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.